Hi everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're talking about sharpening an image in Photoshop. The first step is to click on Layers. For me, it's here on the bottom right, but bear in mind it might be at a different place for you depending on how your Photoshop is structured. So I'm going to click on Layers. Next, you'll click on Background, and mine is already selecting the background since I have one layer. Next, you'll go to Filter, which is up here, and then click on Sharpen, and then select Unsharp Mask right at the bottom. Next, you'll have to change these three parameters. So we're going to set amount to 85, and then we'll set the radius to 1.5, and then we'll set the threshold to 3 levels. Once you're satisfied with your image, you'll click on OK, and you're done sharpening your image in Photoshop.